Hey Relovers, thank you for joining us today. I have a very special unboxing. It's a project 2 years in the making. I'm glad you're here to help me unbox it. I'm very excited, however, I'm a little concerned because there's a big hole in the box. And a little history about this, it's a fabulous, very rare piece that I bought about 2 years ago. Took it to the repair shop, or to the Louis Vuitton store. I was told obsolete, could not be repaired, and my initial investment, I was like, oh, what can I do? Because it's a piece that you don't want to DIY. Held on to it for about 1.5 years, actually till last May to be exact. I decided to take it in. I had another bag to bring in and I wanted to check out some new items. So a long wait while they kind of hem and hawed it over. 2 bag purchases later, while I was waiting, I bought the On The Go and the Vuitton, which was then called the trendy Beaumarchais, that's what it's called. So they took it, gave me an estimate on the repair. It was a very pricey repair, and they had it for 6 months. So I have it now. The store manager said it looks absolutely fabulous. I guess it got oohed and awed by everyone in the repair center. If you do take an item into the repair store, to make sure you do not leave your dust cover with it, any keys or locks or even straps, keep all that, because they will send you a new bag and you don't want anything to get lost. Hopefully it is okay despite the big tear in the box. This has happened to me before, but that is fine. Let me open it up. It is a 1986 train case. It measures 13 by 8 by 9, extremely rare, super sleek, super sturdy. This is a wood-based trunk. Look how shiny the brass is, how crisp the monogram looks. They had to repair the seam just because it became unglued in the back here. Over 30, almost 35 years old. Just look, the canvas is amazing on this if the camera doesn't pick it up. I did find the location. It was made in France. I don't see a date code anywhere on the strap, but MI is on the strap. And I do have the keys. I believe these are them. I have a couple. These are the keys. The pretty keys. You can adjust the lock snap, super sharp. Listen to that. And voila. Wow. Looks like they gave me a whole new mirror. Oh, it smells so good inside. So this snaps the mirror in, and you can take it out. It's nice and snug. It shows all the deterioration on the lining. Nice new mirror. My other mirror was all pitted. New lining on the back. What's neat about this one is, oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. It also has a removable pouch, which the original one was made of the Vuitton lining. So this is more of a lining of like a DeVille or a travel bag. It's more of a wipeable canvas instead of like a coated lining. And so this was a neat aspect that it has this removable pouch. I'm going to search and see if they put a new date code on it. So inside also is this adjustable strap for your bottles. And you just pull on the strap and it'll go tight or loose. All bright, shiny new brass snaps in there. Looks like they gave me a new brass head inside. It's just gorgeous. So I am pleased. It does look pretty. She had never seen this. The store manager had never seen this before. Actually, a lot of people haven't. They've seen the traditional Nice and the exploits like what I have here, but they have not seen this simple one. Let me show you how the straps hook on. You loop it through and you can adjust it like this and make it however long you want it. I'm very lucky to have found this. The repair cost me quite a bit. I was a bit shocked. The first case that I brought in was probably around $600, and that's the Nice travel case. And the second one, this one, I'll look at the receipts. They actually emailed it to me, but significant, but it did take them 6 months. And this is just so stunning. The lock goes in. Okay, there, I just locked it. See, so now you can open it. Here, listen for the snap. It's quite an indulgence for myself. I love it. I did a great job. I cannot wait to contact the manager and tell her how pleased I am. It looks like they even cleaned it. Okay, here is just a quick update. My husband just came in here because he signed for the package. He was concerned about it being damaged. We noticed that the glue is still wet or something. I don't know if you can see that, but this is coming up and it's kind of sticky. So I'm going to have to take a picture of that and send that in. There's a lot of glue residue, and I don't think it's a lost cause. It may have to be that way to remain flexible. I'm not sure. It looks like they may have ran a stitch. Maybe that's a crack. That is new. That was not there. It might have been on here too tight and it cracked it. So I'm going to have to take pictures of this and I will give you guys updates. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, follow on to some of my playlists. I have a lot of information regarding vintage styles, model shots, unboxings, and would love ideas for videos that you may want to see.